Welcome back. Now, one of the integrations that you can use in order to connect to other cloud-based services is to connect with Zapier. And depending on the level of account, you will be able to come into your integrations section. You'll be able to click on Zapier. Now, you won't find the connection here in this area, but you can connect from the Zapier side, provided that you do have a Zapier account. We are now inside of a fully functional Zapier account. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with the trigger, and we're going to assume here that the trigger is going to be upviral. And if you start the search looking for upviral, you'll be able to click on upviral. You can then choose a trigger event. Now, the trigger event within Zapier can be either a new lead or a customer unlocking rewards. We're going to say it's going to be a new lead and click continue. Now, it's here that you're going to connect to a Zapier account. And you're going to click this drop down arrow and you're going to click connect a new account. That's going to open up this dialog, and what you're going to need here is going to be an API key. You're going to need to go to your profile area, and what you're going to do is generate a new API key. Now, the key we're looking at here is going to be grayed out. We're going to copy the key. We're then going to place that key inside of this Zapier dialog box. And our upviral account is now connected. We can then click continue. And now that Zapier is talking to our upviral account, whatever campaigns you already have inside of upviral that are already set up, other cloud-based services with Zapier. And so you'll go to the drop-down menu and to choose one of the campaigns that you have already set up. And your Zapier account is now integrated with upviral. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.